cubic closest pack, CCP. Another name for this is also called ABC packing. And essentially what we're going to see is we're going to see A layer, B layer, C layer, then it's going to repeat over and over again. Remember, we're in a solid, so we're going to see a regular, and specifically we're in a crystal solid, but we're going to see this regular pattern occurring over and over and over again. Okay, so we usually see this in face-centered cubical unit cells. So remember that face-centered, we're usually seeing CCP in there. Now, just to show the difference once again, right? HCP or ABA packing, just two layers really with a repetition of those three layers being stacked on each other. Remember, these are stacked. So not a space in here, they're actually stacked. We're just showing the space here to show the difference in layers. So BAB, ABA, etc. Okay, so we're going to see this repetition of the layers. And when we look at CCP, we now see a new repetition. So where we're going to see this A layer on top, the second layer here. All right, so excuse me, the A layer, the B layer, the C layer, then the A layer. Okay, so I was going in reverse. I mean, it's still going to be the same pattern here. It doesn't matter if we go up or down, whatever. But if we want to go A, B, C, D, etc., we're going to go A, B, C, A. Okay, so we can see the A layer has its own thing going, B layer has its own thing going, C layer has its own thing going. This is that layer as they're stacked together, and then we can see this unit cell form. And remember, right, face-centered cubical cells, the unit cell states, right, that it can have up to 4 atoms. So remember, a unit cell has a piece of an atom. So when you add up all these different pieces of the atoms, right, we're going to get that 4 atoms, okay? If it's a half of one atom, a quarter of this atom, and then a full atom in there, it has to add up to 4 atoms, okay? That's how we have to think about unit cells, right? When we are saying that there's 4 atoms, we're not saying that there's like 4 whole body atoms in there. It's pieces of atoms in this unit cell. Bang, bang. So HCP and CCP both are going to have 12 for this coordination number in this case, so 12 nearest neighbors, right? So basically we're going to see 6 atoms surrounding each atom in the same layer. And there's also a chance that 3 atoms in the layer above or 3 in the layer below. Okay, so that's how we're getting that 12 marker that we're seeing there.